Make recording here at 20143 53rd Ave, Northwest, Northeast, Mount Lake Terrace, or not Mount Lake Terrace, Lake Forest Park. Date's March 27th, 2020. Sitting at the 4x6, so generally out here in Lake Forest Park, the city of Lake Forest Park takes over at the 4x6 transition, where the pipe goes from 4" to 6". So there's your 6" drop. This is your 4" coming back. So we'll come back from here, get a good recording on the line, and identify the problem spots. Alright, pause the recording, came back to the start of the line. So this is the ABS plastic. We're running a little bit under the garage here. Wipe that lens off. I'll push back out to the area where we finished, or paused the recording at. So ABS plastic through the first part of the garage, then we start to get in this belly line. So we go underwater here because the line is kind of flat or back graded. If we were to fix this permanently, we want to start digging somewhere in here. And likely end our trench here. So about a 30-foot trench to correct this grading issue, and replace this section of concrete pipe with new plastic pipe. An attempt to correct this grade. I'm going to get some locates on it before I get out of here. Just wanted to give an idea what the line looks like. We're still a little bit flat through here, but the majority of that flat spot is that first initial 30 feet once it gets past the ABS plastic, black plastic there. So that's about where we had the recording. go in earlier. I'm going to push a little farther out just to be sure we got a video of the whole line here, and then come back and get some locates. Alright, I'm going to end the video there. We are almost all the way back out where the video started, about 10 feet away. So we've got a good look at the line, and I'm going to make some locate marks, talk about where we dig to fix this grading problem permanently. Ending the video.